How can you activate your Payoneer Mastercard after getting the letter from the Payoneer? So if you are also searching that kind of video, you are in the right video. In this video I'll talk about the Payoneer Mastercard registrations process, and so I'll discuss about how can you activate your Payoneer Mastercard after getting the letter from the Payoneer. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to press in the bell icon right now. So, and I want to give thank you all of you for my subscriber who are subscribing me. And so without any delay, let's begin our tutorial. Hey friends, now you can see I got a Payoneer Mastercard from my post office. Now after this I'm opening this one. Then after this I'm using some pin codes. You can see this card is sending from the by airmail, and you can also order this kind of Payoneer card. It's totally free, but you have to pay annual fee. Okay, so now I'm opening this one.
So now I'm just opening my MasterCard, so just wait for a moment, it will take some minutes. I'm using a camera with same hand, that's why it will take some time. Just wait for a minute, I'm opening this one. Okay, so I'm just opening my letter which is sent by the Payoneer, and so it's finally open. Now you can see this is the letters from the Payoneer Mastercard. So this is the front side. Here is my address, and here is some QR codes and some instructions also available. So inside here there is a Payoneer Mastercard available. So there is a QR code also available. So from here I think there is some steps,
some methods available here. Three simple ways to activate your card. Please report to Payoneer customer. Log into Payoneer, myaccount.payoneer.com. Scan the QR code using your mobile device. Call us.
so here is my Payoneer Mastercard, which is already attached with my letter. So I am detaching it from the letters. So just wait for a moment, I am detaching it's from my letters. So it's already attached with some glue. Now here is my back side. Okay, there is a CSV number, and in front of there is a card number, and there is a another number also available.
You should treat your card like cash and keep it safe at all times. If it lost or stolen, please call us immediately at +1 6463 862434. We are excited to present your new Payoneer prepaid Mastercard. Make purchases online and in stores anywhere Mastercard is accepted, or withdraw your funds from ATM worldwide.
So now I'm going to activate my Payoneer card. So first of all, I need to go in my account.payoneer.com. Okay, so after this, just wait for a moment. The Payoneer account, Payoneer website is opening. It will take little bit time. It depends on your internet speed. My internet speed is not good, that's why I think it's not working properly. And after this, you have to put your email ID and your password name. So I am just using my password. So after putting your password, you have to click in the login. So after a few minutes, your Payoneer dashboard will show. So after this, just wait for a moment. It's so now you can see here there are lots of options available. Okay, So after this, just go to in settings and just click in the Pioneer cards. Now it's opening. Now you can see there is an option available. Before I was using this card, and now this new card is arrival, and it came before few days ago. It's give me the deadline. Sorry, it's give me the my deadline, but it came earlier. Okay. So after this, just you have to click in the activate, and from here now you can see it's asking me the 16-digit card number, so I'm putting this one. And after putting the 16-digit card number, just you have to agree all the terms and conditions. Okay, so after this I am just clicking in the OK button. So it's activating my card. Now you can see it's telling that it already activate my card, and it's telling that we send you an email with a link, access your pin, the link will expire in 30 minutes. It's telling me like that. Okay, so after this I think I should to check my email. So I'm going to in my gmail.com, and after this I am logging into my accounts. So just wait for a moment, it's opening. So I'm just putting my Gmail password and I'm logging in. Okay, so after few minutes my Gmail account will be logged in. So my Gmail account is loading in here. Just wait for a moment. I think my internet connection is not working properly, that's why it's taking some minutes. So now you can see here is a emails from my Pioneer. So after this it's telling me that so it's give me some pin number maybe. So now you can see here it's telling me nothing. So I think it will give me. So now you can see it's give me the pin. Okay, it's telling that the pin for your Pioneer USD card is available. So here is a link. So after this I need to click here. So it's loading this one, so just wait for a moment. After this I think there is a pin available here, and it tells me that just before we show you your pin, keep these safety tips in mind. Always do your pins in private, memorize your pin, store it securely, never share your pin with anyone. Remember, Pioneer will never ask for your pin. Okay, so it's doing that. So I'm clicking in the view pin. Okay, so it's showing my pin. So after this I'm just clicking in my OK button. So now I think my card is totally working right now. It's in the active. So it is my past cards. Now it's this card has been blocked, and my now new card has been working. Okay, so that's it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have still any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. Okay, so hoping that you understand to activate your Pioneer Mastercard. And thank you so much for once again. And if you have still any kind of confusions about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. So Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video. Goodbye, see you again.